How to start affiliate marketing in just 7 minutes. Hey, I am Giacomo Mantovani, and in this video I will show you how you can start affiliate marketing in just 7 minutes. I will explain everything you need to set up in order to start affiliate marketing, so let's jump into the video. So the first step is to find a niche. Now, there are 3 big niches which are health, wealth, and relationship. You don't want to focus on those broad niches, okay? Because they're too broad and there is too much competition. You will never make sales on those niches. What you want to do is pick one of these and find sub niches, okay? Let's take my example. I focus on wealth and my sub niche is make money online. You don't see that in this image, but whatever, you find make money online, and then after that I focus on another sub niche, which is affiliate marketing, okay? You want to do that with whatever you want. Like if you are on the health and you promote, if you want to promote like keto diets, you want to go on health, weight loss, keto diets. So you are specific on what you're going to sell. In this way, you will attract people that are super interested in what you are promoting and they are more willing to purchase your product. So now that you found your niche, we want to go on Google and type keto diet affiliate program. Affiliate program, okay. As you can see, you get a lot of different websites. Let's pick one randomly, 16 best keto affiliate programs, and you can find all the different products here that you can join and promote, like affiliate sign up links. Boom, you click there, you get 20% commission, and of course you will have to sign up and register, and you will have your affiliate link at the end. Okay, I'm not going to do that in this video, but you follow the steps and you will have no problems to find a product. So now you found your product, you have your affiliate link, and you're super pumped to spam that link all over the Facebook groups and whatever. But please don't do that. You will not make sales like that. What you want to do is apply this strategy that I'm showing you right now. This is the proven strategy that is working for beginners, and it's not even that hard as it may look. So basically what you do is you find a traffic source, which I do recommend free traffic when you start, especially. So like TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook, and you start posting content on social medias related to that product. For example, I started on TikTok and I started posting consistently every day content about my product, providing value to my audience and build my following, okay? After that, you don't want to send people directly to your affiliate link, which is this page. You want to send people to a squeeze page. So in the description of your bio, you will put the link to send people to this page, okay? And what this page does is you want to collect the emails. In this squeeze page, you'll ask for the email address of your customer in exchange for something for free. Like for example, a free video on the next page or in the affiliate link page, or a free checklist, a free PDF, a free whatever. Anything you can think of, you give something for free and you get the email address of your customer. So after the squeeze page, you send people to the thank you page where you talk about the product. You introduce them to the product because you don't own the product. You need to introduce them to what they see in the next page because they won't see yourself. They will see another guy, another girl, whatever, promoting a product that they don't know, okay? So you want to introduce them and you want to see in the next page, you will see a video of this guy talking about this product, okay? So you can do that with text or with a video. I do recommend you put a video of yourself here, but if you don't want to, you can literally type text and no problem with that. And after that, you will put a call to action at the end of this page and you send people to the sales page, which is your affiliate link. So now what happens is if they purchase, you make a commission. If you find the right affiliate program, they may have upsells. The meaning they have inside that product, they have other products that you can purchase. And if they purchase some of those products, you get paid for that too. So you get an upsell here, and if they buy this upsell, you get paid for that without doing anything else. You just send people there. If they buy here, you get commission. If they buy here, you get commission. And if they buy here, you get commission. But you don't send people there. You just send people to the affiliate link. Now, why do we collect the emails? Well, simply because people will not buy the product when they first see the page, the affiliate link. So if you collect the emails, you can recontact them. In the first few emails, you want to tell a bit about your story of how you started with the product, create a relationship with the audience, okay? Then maybe after 1 or 2 emails, you can start sending the link, sending them again to the affiliate link. After your customers insert the email here, then they will start receiving 1 email every day from you promoting the product again, or even other products related to the same niche. This is how you build an email list and you scale your business over time. And by the way, to build the squiz page and the thank you page, I do use ClickFunnels, which is a super easy software to use. And I will leave you a link down below to get a 14-day trial. And there is the link down below also for the email autoresponder that I use, which is a Weber, which is free until you collect 500 emails. So you don't have to pay for that. And I'm saying all these things because this is what I'm actually doing to make money online with affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, this is my TikTok account. And if you don't know how to create content, what I want you to do is to search all your competitors that do the same thing that you do. For example, this guy is one of my competitors. He's doing great with the TikTok. And what you want to do is you go through his profile and you see this one has 10K views. You open this video. You check the video and you make similar videos. I'm not saying copy that, but I want you to create similar content adjusted to your style. It's not that difficult, guys. It's not that difficult to grow on TikTok. This is how I started 5 months ago. And as you can see, in 5 months, I got 40,000 followers. And I started without any experience of making videos. If you go to watch my first videos, they are really, really bad. And I'm just modeling other people's videos. And then, as you can see here, I have the link. And if you click on this link, you will be taken to my opt-in page where I ask for your email. As you can see, there is my opt-in page and I ask for your email. And in the next page, you will see a video of me introducing the product. And then in the last page, you will be able to purchase the product. Okay, here is the product I promote, which is, by the way, is the 15-day online business builder challenge. And it's the same training that I started with, and I learned everything that I explained in this video. But of course, they go more in details on how to promote products in respect to this video, because they have 15 days to teach you, and I have just one video in this case. So if you want to join the 15-day challenge, I will leave you a link down in the description. And of course, it's an affiliate link. I get paid if you decide to join the training, but this is the same training that I started with, so I am very comfortable promoting that and recommending it to other people. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.